G'day guys, you know things are getting desperate when you're excited to come out and clean up your garage. Now that's the situation I'm in this evening because I can't go out and Tina's in there watching Married at First Sight. I've got this big empty wall behind me and I've bought some new shelving. I'm going to install that shelving tonight and we're going to see how long it takes. I know I've got this shelving next to me but it's too small, not fit for purpose. It was a good interim measure, but it needs replacing. So I might quickly take you for a tour of my garage. You can see the crap that I've got to fit in here, which is why I need good shelving. And we'll see how long it takes me. Let's get into it. So this is my garage. You can see all the crap I've got here. I've installed a lot of hooks on the walls and that's doing okay for some of the things, but then I've got a whole lot of stuff on the floor that needs to find a permanent home. My camp fridge, tent. I've got some shelving here that's just temporary. I've got some sleepers here that I'm doing some landscaping work in the small backyard, but on top of all of that I've got toolboxes and boxes of screws and fishing gear. I've got all these fishing rods and ladders and toolboxes and eskies and more fishing gear and camping gear and a high pressure cleaner and just some assorted crap in some IKEA baskets that I don't know what to do with. There's parts for my saw bench, a spare gas bottle, even some bags of concrete. My old scooter which needs some love and affection. But in the middle here I've got the new shelving that I've purchased. I might unpack it before I start filming this, but that's our objective tonight, is to get that set up and see how long it takes. Alright, let's get started. So, shelf set up. Now I might need to adjust the shelf heights and the distance between the shelves, but it's not too bad. I should be able to fit a lot of crap on those. And I'll need to review the footage, but we'll have to see what kind of time frame we did it.